Imagine a spice so potent it was once considered more precious than gold. That's turmeric for you. This vibrant, earthy spice with its unique mustard-like aroma and pungent, slightly bitter flavor has been a staple in our kitchens for centuries. But did you know that its roots, quite literally, are steeped in history? Originating from Southeast Asia, turmeric's journey began around 4,000 years ago. Its vibrant golden hue led to its nickname, Indian saffron, and its early use was rooted in religious rituals and ceremonies. However, the ancients quickly discovered that this golden spice held more than just symbolic importance. In India, turmeric became a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine, one of the world's oldest holistic healing systems. It was used to treat a myriad of ailments, from respiratory conditions to skin diseases and wounds. Its therapeutic properties were so revered that it was often referred to as the healing spice. Meanwhile, in China, turmeric was equally valued for its medicinal benefits. Traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, employed turmeric as an anti-inflammatory agent and a remedy for digestive disorders. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and turmeric had found its way to Europe. Despite being a costly import, it was prized for its supposed ability to ward off the plague. In the modern era, scientific research has started to catch up with these ancient practices, unraveling the mysteries behind turmeric's health benefits. Today we understand that these benefits are largely due to compounds called curcuminoids, the most important of which is curcumin. So, from its humble beginnings in Southeast Asia, turmeric has traveled continents and spanned cultures, all the while bestowing its health benefits on mankind. This golden spice, once valued as highly as gold, has proven its worth in the annals of history and in the realm of medicine. Turmeric, the golden spice, has been enhancing human health for millennia, and it's time we rediscover its benefits. What makes turmeric a wonder spice? It's all in its nutritional profile. This golden-hued spice isn't just a staple in kitchens worldwide, it's a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. At the heart of turmeric's nutritional profile is curcumin, its primary active ingredient. Curcumin is a polyphenol, a type of plant-based compound renowned for its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. But its benefits don't stop there. Curcumin is also linked to a host of other health benefits, from improving brain function to lowering the risk of heart disease. But curcumin isn't the only beneficial compound in turmeric. This spice is also rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for our overall health. It's a great source of vitamin C, which is known to strengthen our immune system and aid in collagen production. It's also packed with vitamin K, which plays a key role in blood clotting and bone health. In terms of minerals, turmeric delivers a healthy dose of manganese, a nutrient that's essential for processing cholesterol, carbohydrates, and proteins. It also contains iron, which is crucial for making the red blood cells that carry oxygen around our bodies. Then there are the powerful antioxidants, which help to combat free radicals, harmful molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Turmeric's antioxidant capacity is even strong enough to neutralize free radicals on its own, but it also boosts the body's own antioxidant enzymes, adding another layer of protection. Finally, we can't forget about turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is believed to play a major role in many common health conditions, from heart disease to cancer. By helping to reduce inflammation, turmeric could potentially help to prevent these and other diseases. So, what's the takeaway? Turmeric is a spice that's as good for you as it is flavorful. It's packed with essential nutrients, powerful antioxidants, and inflammation-fighting compounds that can boost your health in numerous ways. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and potent compounds, turmeric is indeed a nutritional powerhouse. From your joints to your heart, from your brain to your skin, turmeric has something to offer for everyone. Let's begin with one of the most celebrated benefits of turmeric: its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to the presence of curcumin, turmeric acts as a natural aspirin that assists in combating inflammation. This is especially beneficial for those dealing with joint health issues such as arthritis. By reducing inflammation, turmeric can help alleviate joint pain and stiffness, making movement more comfortable and life a bit more enjoyable. But the benefits of turmeric don't stop at joint health. It also has potential benefits for heart health. Curcumin again plays a vital role here, as it helps maintain the health of the cardiovascular system. It does this by improving the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels. This can lead to better regulation of blood pressure and blood clotting, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Moving on to another crucial aspect of our health: the brain. Turmeric is known to cross the blood-brain barrier, bringing its beneficial properties directly to where they're needed most. It's been suggested that turmeric can boost levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which increases the growth of new neurons and fights various degenerative processes in the brain. This can potentially lead to improved memory, sharper mental clarity, and even a better mood. And finally, let's not forget about our skin, our body's largest organ. Turmeric is not only consumed for health benefits but also applied topically in many skincare routines. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help soothe and heal the skin, reducing redness and inflammation. It can also help fade scars and control oily skin, giving you that coveted glow. So, from your head to your toes, inside and out, turmeric's benefits are far-reaching. With its wide array of health-promoting properties, it's no wonder that this vibrant spice has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Whether it's your physical health or mental well-being, turmeric's benefits are truly multifaceted. Now that you know the benefits, you might be wondering, how do I add turmeric to my daily routine? Well, you're in luck because turmeric is an incredibly versatile spice that can be incorporated into your meals, drinks, or even taken as a supplement. Let's dive into some creative ways to make turmeric a regular part of your lifestyle. Starting with meals, turmeric can add a warm, earthy flavor and vibrant color to a variety of dishes. Sprinkle some into your scrambled eggs or tofu for a breakfast boost. Stir it into your soups, stews, and sauces for a healthful twist. And don't forget about grains. A pinch of turmeric can transform your rice, quinoa, or couscous into a nutritional powerhouse. Looking for a refreshing beverage with a health kick? Try making a turmeric smoothie. Blend a teaspoon of turmeric with your favorite fruits, some leafy greens, and a splash of almond milk for a deliciously nutritious start to your day. Or perhaps you're more of a tea enthusiast. A simple turmeric tea made by steeping ground turmeric in hot water is a soothing way to reap the benefits of this golden spice. And for those who prefer a more convenient approach, turmeric supplements are widely available in health stores and online. Just remember to choose a supplement with black pepper extract, as it enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Now let's talk about recipes. Incorporating turmeric doesn't have to be complicated. Think about a creamy turmeric latte or a hearty turmeric lentil soup. How about a colorful turmeric roasted vegetable medley? The possibilities are endless, and the internet is brimming with creative recipes for you to try. Remember, the key to benefiting from turmeric is regular, consistent use. So, find a way that suits you, and make it a part of your daily routine. With a little creativity, incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can be a flavorful journey towards better health. Like everything else, turmeric is best enjoyed in moderation. While it's a spice with numerous health benefits, it's crucial to be aware of potential side effects and precautions. Turmeric, particularly in large doses, can cause stomach upset, nausea, dizziness, or diarrhea. It can also interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners, and may not be suitable for individuals with gallbladder disease or those scheduled for surgery. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should be particularly cautious. Moreover, while turmeric is generally safe for most people, each individual's response can vary. Some may find they're allergic or sensitive to turmeric, experiencing skin rashes or even shortness of breath. Therefore, as with any significant dietary change, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating large amounts of turmeric into your routine. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current medications. Remember, while turmeric is beneficial, it's important to use it wisely and responsibly. To sum up this golden journey, we've explored the incredible world of turmeric, a spice that holds more than just its warm, earthy flavor. We've delved into its rich nutritional profile, brimming with curcumin, vital vitamins, and essential minerals. We've highlighted its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that aid in joint health, heart health, and even cognitive function. And let's not forget its remarkable benefits for skin health. We've also discussed creative ways to incorporate this golden spice into your daily routine, from meals and drinks to supplements, and even in skincare routines. But remember, with all its benefits, turmeric should be consumed responsibly. Always consult your healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. So, why not give it a try? Explore and experiment with turmeric, and you may find it's not just a spice, but a key ingredient for a healthier lifestyle. Turmeric, the golden spice of life, is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be unlocked.